Kapadia. Professor Deep Kapadia, famously associated with Vedic mathematics, is born in average middle-class family of Mr. Rajan Kapadia on 21st May 1979. He was the one who got name and fame at the age of 2 for being able to remember his past life and to prove the same. Chitralekha 1983 covered the entire journey from remembering the past till proving the past. Further research on him was carried by well-known doctors like Dr. Ramakant Kaney, Dr. Banerjee and Dr. Ian Stevenson from Virginia University, USA, who later wrote a book on him, Children Who Remember Their Previous Life. As a college student, he got opportunity to be a reporter for Illustrated College Weekly, and he was also associated with Avinash Dharmadhikari, Chanakya Mandal, and through Chanakya Mandal, he got opportunity to visit Punjab and to understand Punjab's burning issues, and also gave research work on understanding terrorist rights. In year 2000, he completed his bachelor's studies from D.G. Ruparel College, and he won Mudgal Prize for securing highest marks in philosophy of yoga. In 2001, translated and presented and enacted a Sanskrit drama, Prabodha Chandrodayam, a spiritual awakening, on which he gave a book illustrating its keen, philosophical and historical concept, which was appreciated by many universities and scholars. In 2002, he completed his master's degree in philosophy from Mumbai University. After completing his studies, he got offer from Padma Shri Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Law and later with MCT Law College, and he became visiting faculty in number of colleges of Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. He is currently a member of Indian Council of Philosophical Research, Akhil Bharatiya Darshan Parishad, and he is a member of Syllabus Setting Committee of BLS LLB. Apart from this, his love for knowledge and thirst to learn more lead him to be introduced to Vedic mathematics. He has accepted the tedious task to make Vedic mathematics not only known but also very popular amongst all, especially to younger generation as they are our future and attract to instant and quick lifestyle. Indeed, Vedic mathematics will help all to give quick in calculation and will give you instant answer as unlike conventional mathematics. It stimulates brain to calculate mentally without using instrument, pen or paper. He is striving since last decade to set this goal up and now finally launched ISMCC, that is International Speed Mathematics Competitive Course, and his theme is Who is good at mathematics is dear to success and Sanman Iti Purush. ISMCC is not only the pebble on beach as he has published a book in Braille for visually impaired children for whom abstract subject like mathematics is not only difficult but next to impossible. Professor Deep Kapadia won Outstanding Rotarian Award for the same in year 2004. His main motive was to learn mathematical formulas and implementing in everyday life is not only difficult, then why students are going abroad to learn it. One day I shall build an Oxford University or a better than that in our own country where talent, heritage and culture is not challenged but to change psyche of a layman and acceptance towards new idea is a big challenge. To reach people, you shall have right way and right kind of backup, so this gave rise to an idea of Jignasu Trust, where Jignasu means an inquisitive towards everything. Our trust generates its own fund to give better education and to build conscious